The VideoFlex HD Duo by Laserliner. Flexible, precise, and built for demanding inspection tasks. With a camera head just 5 mm in diameter, it reaches even the tightest spaces, ideal for vehicle diagnostics, domestic systems, or wall inspections. The camera is waterproof to IP68 standard, and with LED lighting, delivers sharp images, even in dark areas. A simple press of a button switches between front and side cameras, directly on the large, high-resolution display. The 2-meter probe offers maximum reach for extensive visual inspections. A powerful lithium-ion battery ensures long operating times, rechargeable via USB-C. The magnetic stand provides a stable base for the camera, leaving both hands free for inspection work. Thanks to the interchangeable system, the camera probe can be easily replaced if needed. Small items can be precisely gripped or retrieved with hook and magnet attachments. A clear menu with varied functions ensures an intuitive operation. The integrated media gallery makes it easy to locate and compare recordings. USB-C port and SD card slot enable fast data transfer. In stationary use, the webcam function allows live transmission directly to a PC. The camera is equipped with 7 bright LEDs, ensuring perfect illumination, even with the slim 5 mm probe. Zoom function and image rotation offer flexible viewing options, adjustable at any time. VideoFlex HD Duo, full control during every inspection, versatile in use and ergonomic to handle.